review 今天的影片，戴森的 Supersonic 超强吹风机跟飞利浦的温控离子护发吹风机开箱评价。First, we have the user manual. 第一件是使用手册 ，Philips 的，飞利浦的，那中文应该叫飞利浦吧。Then we have 再来是这个 this 吹头，不知道I don't know what this is called, but yeah. And then we have 再来我们有这个 international warranty 哦，所以它有一个这个。国际的保证书，不错 ，very international. Then we have the blow dry. 再来就是 ，and it has this little safety cap, which is a nice touch. 它头有这个安全盖，所以它才不会有你们的电，所以 don't get. Oh, this is so heavy, so big. 好重哦！用完 Dyson 之后再用这个，就觉得很重，就觉得它是那个手机的黑金刚。So this is equivalent to the first cell phone ever, the big black one before a smartphone and anything. This is kind of like that. I hate single-handed. So it's 12:01 right now, and let's see how much time it takes for it to completely dry my hair. My hair is quite long. 现在是12:01分，我们来看看，完全把我吹干要多久呢 ？I think my Dyson it takes. 你看我头发这么长 ，so long. Look at my hair, it's super long. Super long. Up to 头发非常长，看一下多长。大概到我的胯下的地方，属膝的地方 it's to my 我158公分，你们自己去衡量。So let's see how long it takes. I think my Dyson usually took me about 15 minutes for my hair to completely dry. 记得之前 Dyson 要把我头发都完全吹到干，也差不多要15分钟了。哇，这个要转了。So this is. I need to twist this open. Oh. It's pretty weak. 还蛮小的。哇，这个要很久。I think it's gonna take me a long time. 发现它按这个钮 only has two steps， 要2段水，就这样，这声 风，然后我刚刚在想它怎么没有冷风的按钮。So I was wondering why it didn't have the cool air button, but now I figured it out. So the first click is the cool air setting, and if you turn it up to the end, it becomes hot. 所以第一个是冷风，然后因为它让冷风可以调大小。So it's the same with the cool air setting. You can also. I think it's already almost dry. It's been 7 minutes. 7 minutes. So it is 12:11 now, and I did 5 minutes on hot air and 5 to 6 minutes on cool air, and my hair is already. Look at this. This is the ends, and it's already dry. 所以残边吹了，总共吹了11分钟，然后大概5分钟用冷风，然后5分钟用热风，然后已经几乎完全干了。你看看，这已经是发烧了。So I would say it's excellent. 所以我觉得超级有价值的这一支超推。I highly recommend this. Philips. Not quite sure if there's a product name for it, but this is it. 1500 watts. And it has this thermal shield printed on it. 所以这个超推。Super recommend. For the full review, please click on the link in the description box below. 完整评价文请点以下链接哦。
Collaborations, or if you want to join our next event, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell and share. You can also add me online at Tinkeebellezza, TINKEEBELLEZZA. Make sure the T is capital and send us a message first so we don't miss you. You can also add us on Line app by our QR code.
Make sure to follow and like us on Facebook as well at fashionecsta. That's www.facebook.com/fashionecsta. Follow us on Instagram at fashionecstasy. Also my personal account at tanya.fashionecstasy. We are also on Twitter at fashionecstasy and my personal account at shutanya. It's HSUTANYA. For more, just visit our website at fashionecstasy.com. Just Google search Fashion Ecstasy or in Chinese 时尚高潮.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. We upload videos every weekend, sometimes Friday, sometimes Saturday, sometimes Sunday, depending on my disability status. 谢谢观赏，长边每个周末都会上传影片哦，记得按订阅、按赞、分享哦，铃铛要开启哦。